In this video, I will show you how to use UpHex with GoHighLevel and how you can basically integrate them and use them together. So first of all, you will need to have both an UpHex and GoHighLevel account. If you have not yet started your free trials, through the link in the description, you will get a 14-day free trial on UpHex and an extended 30-day free trial compared to the usual 14 to GoHighLevel. So if you want to claim this 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel, again, it will be in the link down in the description. So after you've created both of your accounts, what you can do first is open up UpHex, then here go to your integrations, and then here you will see your Facebook, your Google, and over at the right you will see GoHighLevel. So click on Connect GoHighLevel. That will take you to the GoHighLevel marketplace. Now make sure you already have a tab open where you're signed into your GoHighLevel account, because then it will actually open it up automatically. Now here just select your agency, and then here click allow access to all sub-accounts for your agency name, and you can also enable automatic future installation, then click proceed. So basically, if you enable the automatic future installation, then on any sub-account you will create in the future, UpHex will be automatically installed on it. So after you do that, it will say connected to GoHighLevel. Now one thing to bear in mind is that on UpHex, in the My Clients page right here, you should have the same amount of clients right here that you want to connect on your GoHighLevel account. So here I have 2 sub-accounts, so therefore I cannot integrate directly to my agency because then it won't know which sub-account is which client basically. So you want to make sure that you have the same amount of sub-accounts here compared to the amount of clients you have here. So I'll just go and create a new client quickly. And now in the My Clients section, you will see I now have 2 clients right here. Now if I go to the integrations again and click Connect GoHighLevel. So after you have connected your sub account on GoHighLevel to UpHex by clicking on Connect GoHighLevel, and then here just select the sub account or your entire agency. So after you've connected that, what you can then do is actually go to your My Clients page here, then go to the client here, then actually launch your campaign, and then leads will come in, and then those leads will also show up in your contacts here on your GoHighLevel sub account. So now you know how to connect UpHex to GoHighLevel. Again, if you want to get a 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel and a 14-day free trial to UpHex, you can go and sign up through the links down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.